Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard of a creamy keyboard? Let me show you what that sounds like. I mean, really? This is so great for your office. It's also great if you have like a college student. This is a great gift idea. I would have loved to have this when I was a student. I love it in my office. It's so great. It actually calms me while I'm in here. And the best part is it's on flash sale right now. They have a ton of different colors, so I'll leave it in the bag below for you to check out.